Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And this Delco T-400 was dropped off by a local customer living just a few blocks away. Didn't tell me what car it goes into. I do know it's not a Buick because it's not wired. It's not wired for a Buick. So let's just go ahead and pop a tape in and make sure everything works before we have them come back over to pick it up. Yeah, at the end of a song here, so. Okay, balance left, balance right, left, right, tone. Okay. Alright, and that's it. There's not much to test on a standalone 8-track. Just make sure it plays, switches tracks, the volume, tone, and balance controls all work. And they all do, so she's ready to go back. I'm ready to call Steve back and say, come on over and pick up this monster and give me some money. Thanks for watching and listening, guys. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. If you print a work order, that will answer all your questions about all the options I offer, all my prizes, and including turn time options. So please do visit the website and print out a work order before calling me with a 15-minute barrage of questions. Once you've read the work order, you probably won't need to call me unless you'd like chat just to establish trust, and that's perfectly fine. But as far as answering the same questions over and over from each new customer, that's not going to happen anymore because it's threatening the quality of my workmanship, which I will not allow. So, thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Steve, for your business all the way from a few blocks away, and we'll see you guys next time.